Today is June 4th, 2021. Here's the watch list right here. I'm kind of late on my video this morning. I put this in the group. I told guys this morning to watch NCTY on that real quick move because it always jumps on volatility. It runs up and always pull back. I caught it back here at 11.97. It ran to 14.06. We only got 7 seconds left to the stock market start. I don't know what I'm buying yet. I've been behind the curve a little bit. I'm going to look at BBIG as my first buy in my small account at this moment. I really don't trust NCTY. It's known to pump and dump. So it's not one of them stocks that I really like to trade. Let me go backwards. I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet who trades stocks and try to show folks how to make a few dollars. You know, there's always opportunities in the stock market, whether it's a slow day, a green day, a red day, a pink day, whatever day it is, the stock market always has opportunities to buy stocks. I am not giving anyone financial advice. Do not follow what I'm doing. Just use what I say as a reference. Never follow what I do. Unless you think something I'm doing right, then you can go with it. I'm trying to find a buy opportunity right here. Let me see. I need the first 5-minute candle. But look down here. The RSI indecisive and so is the MACD. My computer freezing. I pushed the buy button, but didn't feel. Look at that crap. That's terrible. Look at the lag in my computer, man. Oh, it's terrible. Now I gotta try to find a way to sell this without losing money. I pushed the button like forever ago. That's terrible. I'm looking for a new high of day, and I'm gonna hop out of it. Let's look for a 421 area. I pushed the button way back here. You saw it. It didn't get filled to way up here somewhere. What a terrible lag my computer has. Thinkorswim is messing up. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to a limit sale. Because when this kind of stuff start happening, you got to be very careful. Oh, that's terrible. Look at it. It froze again. I can't push nothing. That's terrible. Look at this. Wow. All on video. Look at the system this crash on me. Oh man, I'm gonna lose money because it crashed. Look at Thinkorswim crash on me. You see this? Wow. Let me go to my cell phone and try to get out this trade now. Yeah, I love Thinkorswim, right? It'll cost you money if you allow it to. And that's what it just did. I'm logging in now on my cell phone trying to get out of it. It hopped in way too late. And then it crashed on me. Oh, this is terrible. Let me go to my account and try to sell it on my cell phone. That's terrible what it just did to me. Wow. I put the sell order in on my cell phone right quick. Oh, come on, man. It's still running. I'm looking at my cell phone. It's still running. I'm looking at it. That's terrible what it did to me. It got in way too late, and now I can't even log in. Oh, the caps lock is now. Oh, it's terrible. This is what happens. Thinkorswim sometimes. It crashes, and you can lose money in an instant. My sell order is in. I'm barely green. Now I'm red now. All because Thinkorswim decided to want to crash on me. This is terrible, man. All on video. So now I called Thinkorswim this morning and tell them, hey, look, you cost me some daggone money. They're going to see what I mean. Look at this. This is terrible, man. I put my sell order in on my cell phone. So I'm just watching on my cell phone. But I don't see it on here, which is weird. Ah, man, this is terrible. I tried to buy in way back here, as you saw. It froze on me and didn't buy. Then it ran up. Tried to get out of it, and I couldn't get out of it. Anyway, trading 27.9 million. The share float. It has almost 11 million share float. Ah, man. I'm so out of whack right now. I should have been out way up here and what I drew earlier, but I couldn't get out of it. I need the green and green move right here. Here we go. I'm going to sell it in between here. Maybe a new high of day. Let me go to my cell phone. This is terrible. It's thrown my whole trading process off. I should have been out already. Let me go find my watch list on my cell phone. It's terrible. If I lose, it ain't my fault. Because I should have been out already. I should have got out. I should have got in way sooner and got out at my desired point with no problem. But, you know, and lucky is all on video. You know I'm not lying. I will be called in Thinkorswim for sure. I'm out of whack now. I can't even function what I'm trying to do. Let me see. Terrible. Hold on. I might average down in a second. I should have bought way down there anyway. 395 it got filled. I bought in way before that. That's terrible. I'm sorry. I'm out. I'm trying to trade on my cell phone now because I don't trust the system no more. I'm going to just watch it right quick. Let me go to my larger account. We're gonna watch it for a minute. I'm not gonna sell it yet. I want to get it back in here a second time. I hop out of it. Let's look at the 5 day 15-minute chart. That's that first bear candle right there. You see, large sell-off. It may reverse. Let's see what happens right here. That's terrible what he did to me. Can't cry over spilled milk, right? Trust the process. Here comes this move right here. We need a real quick bounce. I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I'm gonna go over here. I'm in 395, right? So I'm gonna go here right quick for a minute and look at leads, which I totally missed, but I put in the group as well. Look, I'll show you in a minute. Trying to get in my large account right quick. I'm so out of it right now. Where my stock at? BBIG. I'm gonna hold off on this video and just keep it right here until I get out of it. I'll go to everything else in a second. But I did put in the group though, if it opens, which I don't see it, which is weird. But I did put it in here to watch this move on leads. Let me refresh it. Maybe it's terrible. System crashed on me. Oh man. See, I put it right here. Leads, our car, and went. This is terrible. It's ruined this whole video. It's ruined my whole trade. That's terrible. Ruined my whole trade, man. Let me go over here for a minute. I'm going to try to hop in right quick on this quick scalp on NCTY in my large account that I'm trading from my cell phone. Make this move up right quick. Let me hop out of it and on to the next, man. This is frustrating. That's terrible. Thinkorswim, man. The gift and the curse. The gift and the curse. Meanwhile, look at this move on NCTY. It's known to pump and dump. Like I was telling you in the video earlier, it'll pump and dump all the time, then it crashes. It happens all the time. I can't even get my thoughts together. I'm still jacked up from the trade, buying in way too late and then getting out. Well, not getting out. Shoot, actually. Let me go back over there for this move right quick. Break even for me is 395, so break even is right here. It's about to pop my break even point. I'm gonna make some profit, but I want to sell it up here. That's my goal. So it has another run in it. If you look here, that's the shoulder, right? Maybe it's gonna be the head. Let's see what happens right here. It's turning red, but we're curving up on the RSI as well. So let's watch this move. I should have been out way up here if you saw it in the video before it crashed on me. That's terrible what happened to me, but it's all good. You can't cry with spilled milk, right? But Thinkorswim will be getting my phone call today. That's for daggone sure. Let me watch it for a minute. We got a lot of sellers on level 2. A lot of buyers over here. I don't know if I said it or not earlier because I was so messed up when the system crashed and it messed my whole trade up. And I'm glad it's all on video because I'm going to show you guys in the video what happens. It happens to me as well. Luckily, it's a small account I'm making this video in. So it wasn't like I put a whole bunch of shares in there. It's only 100 shares. So it wasn't like it's a big bull number of shares. So can't say only because it's my money regardless. I'm going to watch it down here in the bottom right for this move past 395. When it does that, I'm going to go back to my trade window. When it pops right here, I'm going to go to my trade window and I'm going to lock in and get ready to make that sale. Here we go. Bottom right. There it is. I'm green now. Blow through that point. The next point is going to be there. And then we hop out of it. So let me say right here in the group, $4 wall. As you know by now, dollar amounts is always going to be walls, right? So I put in the group the $4 wall that I drew earlier. So it pops that $4 wall. We're going to blow through again. See here, pop that $4 wall. It was a small little spike. It's indecisive. Now we got an RSI reversing. And we got buyers piling in, sellers going away. Up and down the axis, you'll see the sellers are all in the 420s and 430s and so on and so forth. I wouldn't have bet you they had the same crash I had. They went to buy in right here in this candle, and then they freaking crash. It should have been a halt on volatility, but never halted. Probably because system crashed. Everyone couldn't get their sales in. We have only 27.9 million share float, trading 14.7 million shares. It is actually the third or the fourth smallest float on the top 6 traded stocks. Meaning, if you're going to buy stocks, if you're being cheap about it, or you don't have a lot of money, you're going to buy stocks cheaper to higher. So you're going to start like in the dollar stocks and go up from there. In this case, we have a $4 stock. The other ones above it is around the same price, but they're not moving as fluid as this is right now. And it also has news on NCTY, has news as well. The pumping up over here has cryptocurrency news. So everyone's going to be watching the cryptocurrency news. Now I hopped in like I wanted to. Well, I tried to way back here, as you know, and it got filled somewhere, but I couldn't sell it. I'm going to end up becoming green, I'm sure, in this trade. However, I should have been way up here. Let's see if it moves. I'm way out of it now. This kind of ruined my video with it crashing and so on and so forth. If it pops this $4 wall, which I told you guys right here, it's a $4 wall. If it pops this $4 wall, we got room to run a new high of day. I'm going to watch it for a second before I click off it. It's moving up to, there we go. Blow through it. Blow through it. Pop this point here, 406, 405. Blow through it. I'm going to become green, I'm sure. But how green is the question. Here come the buyers. Come on, buyers. Pile in. Pile in, buyers. Here they come. Here they come. There they go. There they go. I want to sell here or a high of day. Let's go. See, it froze again. I'm just get out of it. This stock has ruined my day. I'm just get out of it. I'm just get out of it because I don't trust it no more. I'm just get out of it. Now, it's going to blow up as soon as I get out of it. Watch. It's going to pop high of day. There go the point. 410. I just don't trust Thinkorswim no more this morning. I'm probably going to stop trading right now. I don't trust what's going on in the system this morning. It already crashed on me once. I don't want it to crash again. But it's going to pop high of day for sure. But I don't trust it crashing on me. And my luck is that it crash again and I be stuck in trade for a second time. But look at the video. You'll see it on video right here. I called the points out. I was telling you what it's going to do. I put down over here as well. We have a $4 wall, right? Now we're going to go high of day. I even put over here as well. I said, looking for a new high of day HOD 11 minutes ago. The high of day is 424. But I don't trust Thinkorswim at all. I'm going to be done trading right now. Matter of fact, I'm going to end this video. You see what happened? Tried to trade. It froze on me. I had to log out, log in. I couldn't sell. On and on and on and on and on. I don't complain when I trade stocks. However, I need my equipment to work properly. I need people who I pay top dollar for and trade lots of money on to work properly. And this morning, Thinkorswim failed me. It's my favorite site to trade on. However, sometimes this happens. When you get an overflood of people who just start buying stocks or got money coming in from various sources, they're going to steal money platform they see. And most people on YouTube are going to tell you, hey, go Thinkorswim. For me, I love this site yet again, but sometimes this platform, it freezes. Like you saw it in the video, and it locks you out, and you got to log back in. By that point, your stock is way down what you want to get it at. I bought in here. I want to get out here. I pushed the sell button, and then it froze. You saw it in the video. It pulled back. I held on for a minute. I trust the process, and I saw also it's riding my EMA, so I didn't sell it yet. It pulled back. I was down like 17, 18 bucks. I held it. Watched the green and green move. I told you in the group. $4 wall. We blow through it. Maybe high of day. I took $7.10. Should have been like 20 something or $30. But it is what it is. Green is green. I only traded, freaking $395. Made $7. It's not a lot. But it is almost 3%. But it's not a lot. However, 3%, 22 trading days a month, 66% a month, 780% a year about. With that being said, one trade away. You guys have a good weekend. I'm about to call Thinkorswim. One.